Heijunka is a lean manufacturing technique that aims to level out the production volumes so the mix and quantities stay consistent over time. The key objective is to align production output with customer demand over a specified time period. But how does it work? Instead of producing in large batches or based on immediate customer requests, Heijunka advocates for smaller, more frequent production runs that are leveled and synchronized through a pitch. And what is a pitch? It is a predetermined sequence, which is repeated over time, in order to enable less variability and more predictability in the supply chain. For example, if we have 3 different products, A, B and C, with production quantities of 2,000 units, 1,000 units, and 1,000 units, respectively. Using the Heijunka principle, we will follow the sequence of ABAC repeated over time. This approach helps us level the workload and maintain a consistent production flow. In summary, Heijunka is a lean production technique that levels scheduling through sequencing to create stability and predictability, eliminating peaks.